the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. A keyboard shouldn't just be functional, it should elevate how you work and play. The Melgeek Modern 97 delivers precisely that, with a fusion of speed, customization, and style in one compact machine. Its sleek, see-through body and refined 97-key layout give you full functionality in a tight footprint, all while maintaining the vital arrow keys. A screw-free one-piece build keeps the frame solid yet elegant. In a world where aging often means isolation, companionship can be as powerful as medicine. That's where Honorado AI takes flight. An intelligent, lifelike parrot crafted not only to assist but to genuinely connect. With more than 800 million individuals over the age of 65, and 60% of them living alone, Honorado AI delivers more than utility. It offers presence, personality, and peace of mind. The UEFI Cam 3 S330 redefines home security with its advanced features that elevate your surveillance experience. Featuring a remarkable 4K resolution, this camera utilizes UEFI's Starlight technology for unparalleled night vision, offering crystal-clear footage even in low-light settings. It outperforms traditional 1080p cameras, delivering vibrant colors and detailed images during the night. The Lingo Genie L2 is an advanced translation tool designed to bridge communication gaps seamlessly. With support for over 200 languages, it allows users to translate text, voice, and images in real time, making it a powerful companion for global travelers, businesses, and language learners alike. The device integrates smoothly with the Lingo Genie app, offering users a more comprehensive, user-friendly experience. Equipped with AI-powered accuracy, the Lingo Genie L2 ensures precise translations, even for complex phrases. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. Under the relentless summer glare or in high-altitude wind, gear that multitasks is invaluable. The EcoFlow Power Hat answers that call, a wide-brimmed solar charging hat engineered for real-world outdoor performance, designed for serious treks, high-elevation climbs, and backwoods exploration. This hat shields your face and neck with a 5.5-inch brim while quietly converting sunlight into usable power. The Kuxiu magnetic wireless charging stand for iPad transforms how you power up your tablet. No more tangled cables or complicated setups. With its enhanced magnetic design, it provides seamless charging with up to 18 watts of power. Simply place your iPad on the stand, connect the USB-C cable, and you're ready to go. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this stand is designed for both durability and elegance. CNC machined for precision, it boasts a frosted texture that complements your iPad Pro. Cooking is an art, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine a kitchen tool that takes the guesswork out of flavoring and makes every meal taste like it's been crafted by a professional chef. Enter Spicer, the smart flavoring device designed to elevate your culinary creations with ease. Spicer combines cutting-edge technology with cooking, allowing you to enhance the flavors of any dish effortlessly. Whether you're making a simple pasta or an elaborate steak, Spicer adds the perfect amount of seasoning, all with just the push of a button. The Ace Pro 2 Dual Battery Bundle is a high-performance action camera engineered for those seeking unparalleled video quality and functionality. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera delivers 8K video resolution, ensuring every moment is captured in crisp, stunning detail. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light environments, providing superior clarity even in dim settings. Designed with motorcyclists in mind, the Ace Pro 2 offers remarkable stabilization, capturing smooth footage regardless of the terrain or speed. Built for users who demand private control over their data without sacrificing speed or access, Pocket Cloud is more than just a portable NAS. It's a compact, high-efficiency gateway to your personal cloud wherever you are. At the core of Pocket Cloud is Station PC, a forward-thinking technology brand backed by Firefly Technology, a trusted name in board manufacturing and embedded computing. For over 5 years, Station PC has focused on delivering high-performance private cloud solutions that are streamlined for modern workloads. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyodo MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyodo wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. The Tesco 2 self-stirring coffee mug stands as a versatile and efficient tool for anyone seeking convenience in their daily routine. Featuring an automatic magnetic stirring mechanism, this stainless steel mug ensures your coffee, tea, or other beverages are consistently mixed without the need for manual stirring. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, its multifunctional design adds practicality to your lifestyle. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this mug is built to withstand regular use while maintaining an appealing, sleek look. No bright distractions, no attention traps. The Lightphone 3 is here for those ready to reclaim their time and presence. Built for people tired of the upgrade treadmill, this device honors durability, clarity, and purpose. With a sleek metal frame, 5G connectivity, and USB-C charging, it provides what's essential without dragging you into the noise. Every element of the Lightphone 3 speaks intention. The camera is purposefully minimalist, echoing classic point-and-shoot film cameras. The Brava oven redefines convenience with its all-in-one functionality, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. With over 8,000 customizable cooking programs, this smart oven lets you cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're preparing a simple meal of chicken wings and vegetables or crafting a pizza, the oven's one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, you can cook multiple ingredients at once, saving time and effort. This versatile appliance serves as an air fryer, roaster, baker, and even a slow cooker. Step into the future of compact control with the M1 by MonsterTech, a pocket-sized powerhouse engineered for serious users. Designed for environments where speed and versatility matter, the M1 eliminates the chaos of juggling remotes, cards, and interfaces. Thanks to its integrated infrared technology, it functions as a universal controller, consolidating everything from your TV to your air conditioner into one seamless device. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the GameSir X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with GameSir Hall Effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. Slide your finger into a new era of control. amzn puts the power of precision at your fingertips. Whether you're scrolling through presentations or editing high-resolution video, this wearable mouse redefines convenience. amzn learns your habits through machine learning, adapting with each gesture to provide smoother, faster navigation. Unlike bulky remotes or traditional mice, amzn wraps around your finger for true portability. Warmer Lamp is designed to infuse your living space with the perfect balance of fragrance and elegance. With its sleek, modern appearance, it provides an effortless way to enjoy your favorite scents without the need for an open flame. This candle warmer utilizes gentle heat to melt the wax evenly, releasing a rich, aromatic atmosphere that enhances any room. Precision meets purpose in a blade that adapts as swiftly as you do. This isn't just an everyday carry knife, it's a modular tool engineered for those who demand control, durability, and design. Built to evolve with your needs, it combines elite materials with effortless customization. Whether you prefer the sleek feel of titanium, the textured grip of G10, the refined finish of carbon fiber, or the distinct beauty of Damascus steel, the handle transforms in seconds without tools. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. The Yaber Pico T1 mini projector is a breakthrough in portability and performance. Developed over 3 years by Yaber's R&D team, this compact device is designed for effortless travel. Its built-in power bank ensures you can enjoy your content anywhere, even without access to an external power source. Equipped with advanced DLP technology, the Pico T1 delivers impressive brightness with 110 ANSI lumens, double the brightness of typical mini projectors. A quiet force working behind the scenes, this all-in-one system transforms your environment with unmatched efficiency. Instead of relying on traditional water sources, it extracts water from the air, delivering mineral-rich hydration purified through advanced UVC sterilization. Each drop passes through a meticulous multi-stage process, ensuring the water not only tastes clean but is truly clean at the molecular level. No plumbing, no refills, just seamless atmospheric conversion into fresh drinking water. The One-Wheel XR Classic blends modern innovation with nostalgic design, creating a unique ride that offers the best of both worlds. With enhanced power electronics and a redesigned platform, this board is a powerhouse for riders seeking both performance and comfort. Offering up to 24 miles of range, the XR Classic pushes boundaries, whether navigating streets or conquering trails. The revamped drivetrain, featuring a 75-volt system, delivers impressive acceleration and a smoother ride. In a world moving faster by the second, precision tools like Kublet become essential companions. This simple, tiny, yet powerful data tracker fits right into your everyday life without the need for complexity. With Kublet, you stay informed at a glance. Whether it's monitoring the weather, keeping tabs on stocks, tracking your wallet health, or checking your UST yield performance. Health-conscious users can rely on Kublet for real-time blood sugar updates, helping to maintain balance wherever they are. The Gourmet Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Gourmet ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. Kombu redefines how kombucha is brewed, offering a high-quality, cost-effective solution for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Designed with precision, this brewer brings authentic, tangy kombucha to your kitchen, eliminating the need for expensive store-bought versions. Kombu Brewer features a stainless steel fermentation tank, a key component for maintaining optimal temperatures, allowing for the ideal fermentation environment. With the ability to brew up to 1 gallon at once, you can enjoy a steady supply of kombucha, whether for personal enjoyment or sharing with friends. Acasis has crafted a versatile portable SSD hub designed to expand your storage and connectivity options. Equipped with a sleek, compact design, this device offers seamless integration for users needing an efficient way to manage large files across multiple devices. It supports fast data transfer speeds of up to 1,000 megabits per second, ensuring quick and reliable file handling, whether for phones, laptops, or tablets. The Insta360X5 redefines immersive video capture, offering a leap in 360-degree technology. This cutting-edge camera boasts a 1x1.28-inch sensor, providing significantly clearer, more detailed footage, perfect for both vibrant landscapes and intricate close-ups. Its new Pure Video mode enhances low-light performance, ensuring that every shot is rich in detail, even in dim environments.